had pain in my left shoulder. So I visited Dr. Chintan Desai. He asked me to take an MRI, and after the MRI, it was a muscle tear. So I had to go to a surgery, and after the surgery, I took a painkiller for 5 days, and then after 10 days, my stitches were removed, and then I started physiotherapy, which I did for 3.5 months, and now I am okay. I can raise my hand, and I can do all my household work, and I can do cooking and everything. So I thank Dr. Chintan to get me to this stage.